All right, you are welcome to the day 2 of this training. All right, so in this training, I'll be showing you how to how to download funny sound. If you want to download funny sound, just come to TikTok. All right, come to TikTok. If you come to TikTok like this, okay.
Cover your camera
So
to
just
see
come
which
here
animal.
and you search for. Can you see that now? You search for funny sound for comedy in Nigeria. Once you do that, you will see a list of. Okay, then come to sound. Once you come there, come to sound. All right, now look at this one for example. Now this is oh no, look at this one. I say use this one. Okay, so I'll not record a video. Let me just record. Can you see that now? All right, that's how the sound is. So you can download the sound. Let me discard this. You can download the sound from a video. All right, you can see so many of them. You can download
My
them.
people, when they ask me,
Can you
say
see
they
that now?
want.
So you can download that. Can you see this one?
Good evening.
Can you see that? So you can see a whole lot of them there from TikTok. Okay, so that is how to do that. Now, the moment you download it, it will download to your system. Now, let me go to my gallery and show you some videos. Let me go to gallery. All right, this is